I am Denise Palmer, and I am an illustrator, artist, and surface pattern designer working out of my studio close to the Gulf of Mexico, where water adventures and botanical plants surround my everyday life. Welcome to these video chats, where I talk about some of the techniques I've used to create my artwork and chat about all things illustration, art, and design. Welcome to today's episode, and I'm continuing today with the subject of Christmas artwork. Usually when you think of Christmas, you think of reindeer, Santas, and Christmas trees in traditional holiday colors. But this artwork in this episode is anything but traditional. Most of the artwork I have shared in these video chats were commissioned projects, but this artwork is something I decided to create to reflect my environment, which is tropical, and so I wanted this design to have a tropical holiday theme to it. This is why I'm creating a mermaid with hints of a nutcracker style, with a nutcracker fish, which you will see at the end of this video, and the full design I will share with you. The color palette is tropical with a bright Christmas undertone, and there are present-stealing crabs and coral-inspired Christmas trees to bring the theme and story to life. I wanted the mermaid to have long flowy hair because it is definitely something my daughter would love. And I gave this mermaid a more boxy look to her mermaid tail and her face. To create a separation between the blocks of color, I added darker line work to outline the shapes in the body, hair, and little details. When you use line work in the same color range as what you are outlining, it creates a softer look but still delivers definition. It is much softer than using a black outline. This is my personal preference and style, and not to say that you cannot use black line work. Black or gray line work can be done really well. I just don't like using it. So if you haven't tried line work in a darker color, try it out and see if it fits your style. Try thinking about non-traditional holiday themes and color palettes like a tropical one to create a different look to traditional seasons of the year. You never know, you may love the new twist on tradition, and so will your clients. I will be sharing more process videos just like this one, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.